If you're starting an e-commerce business and want to avoid managing inventory or shipping, dropshipping is a great way to get started, but your success depends heavily on choosing the right platform. After comparing features, support, and integrations, here are my top 5 dropshipping platforms to use. At number 5 is Wholesale 2B. It offers access to over 1 million products from multiple suppliers. You can sell on eBay, Amazon, or your own site, and it handles order automation and inventory sync. It's beginner friendly, but gives you room to scale. Number 4 is Spocket. Focused on US and EU suppliers, Spocket gives you faster shipping times than many competitors. It integrates easily with Shopify and WooCommerce, and the quality of products is generally higher than typical AliExpress offerings. Coming in at number 3 is Ali Dropship. It's a WordPress plugin that turns your site into a full-featured dropshipping store powered by AliExpress. It's a one-time payment rather than monthly and gives you full control and ownership. Number 2 is Printful. For anyone focused on print on demand, like t-shirts, mugs, or posters, Printful offers high-quality products, great branding options, and fast fulfillment. It's perfect if you want to design and sell your own merch without managing inventory. And the number 1 platform, Shopify plus DSers. Shopify remains the most popular platform for launching e-commerce stores, and DSers is its go-to dropshipping partner. You get powerful store-building tools, easy product import from AliExpress, and streamlined order fulfillment, all backed by a massive app ecosystem. Dropshipping is a powerful model, but only if you've got the right tools behind you. These 5 platforms make it easier to launch, run, and grow a profitable online business without the overhead.